Hey, Jeffrey Evans here. In this video, I'll show you how to view and manage your book page in Instant Author. You'll learn how to easily navigate the page, track your book status, and manage your work all in one place. Let's dive in. Start by navigating to the Books section from your profile. Here, you'll find a list of all your created books. To download your book, click the download icon next to the View Book button. You'll be given the option to download your book in either DOCX or KDP format. From the list of books, select the one you want to manage. Click on the View Book button to open its details page, where you'll find comprehensive information about your book. On the book info page, you can view key details about your book, including book title, genre, fiction, nonfiction, reading level, target word count, status, completion date, AI model used, total word count, temperature setting. Below the book info, you'll find your chapters listed. Each chapter will display its title and the number of words in that chapter. To view the content of a chapter, simply click on its title. This will open up the full chapter content for you to review. You can download your book or delete it entirely if needed. That's it. You've learned how to view, download, and manage your books in Instant Author. With all this at your fingertips, you're ready to refine your projects and move forward with your writing journey.